Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a quick little Tyflow tutorial on doing a particle ripple effect um, on 3ds Max. So let's get started. Let's start with a plane. So just draw a quick plane on the model and then turn on edge faces. So for this one, maybe we want like 100 line segments on both the length and the width. And then after doing so, we want to create the ripple. So go back to create and under space warps and under geometric and deformables, we want to click on the ripple. So from the center of the plane, we just draw out our ripple. Oh, that one sort of, let's try to do that again, like that. And then you could adjust the heights of the ripple. So maybe something like that. Now, what we're gonna do is click on the plane again, and then click on bind to space warp, which is that one, and then click on the center and just drag it out, and then that should follow the ripple that we just made. Um, Currently, the ripple isn't moving, so what we want to do is have that ripple sort of flow and move like water. So in order to do that, you want to go to the last frame and click on auto, and under modify, change the face to, I don't know, -4. So now you can see it sort of moves like that. Um, so now we want to open up Tyflow. Let's create a small one over here. Click on open editor. And then let's create a birth surface. Click on tab, birth surface. And then for this one, our surface is going to be this rippled plane. So click on pick, click on the plane, and then let's create a shape as well. And then for this one, I'm going to be using cubes. So scroll down to mesh, go to 3D, click on cube. And then in order to see that on your plane, click on display, change the display mode to geometry. And then that should have all these small cubes. But currently, if you press play, the cubes don't follow the moving ripple. So in order to do that, let's go back to frame 1 and let's add an object binding. So click tab, search up object bind, and then you just want to pick the plane that we've made, and then under bind mode, click on lock to surface and snap to surface. And then you can see that the cubes follow the ripple. And then you just want to hide out the ripple function. Click on right click on that, press on hide selection, and do the same thing for the plane. So right click, hide selection, and then you should be left with just the cubes, um, like that.